Today, we're diving into how to bake the perfect matcha chocolate cheesecake, a luscious dessert that marries vibrant matcha with rich chocolate. Let's get started. Here are all the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. For the crust, 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs, or chocolate wafer crumbs, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, melted, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. For the filling, 16 ounces cream cheese, softened, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of sifted matcha powder, 3 large eggs, room temperature, optional, 1/2 cup of sour cream or heavy cream. For the chocolate swirl, 4 ounces dark chocolate melted. And for the toppings, optional, matcha powder, fresh berries and whipped cream. Let's dive into it. Step 1. Choosing the right matcha powder. For the best color and flavor, opt for high-quality ceremonial-grade matcha. Look for a bright green, finely sifted powder. This ensures your cheesecake is smooth and free of lumps. Next, let's perfect the crust. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. In a bowl, combine 1½ cups of crushed graham crackers, 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Stir until the mixture resembles wet sand. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a springform pan to create an even, sturdy base. Bake for 10 minutes until golden and set. Then let it cool completely before adding the filling. Now for the creamy filling. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 Celsius. Make sure all ingredients are at room temperature to avoid lumps. In a mixing bowl, beat 16 ounces of softened cream cheese until fluffy. Gradually add 1 cup of sugar, mixing well. Stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, followed by 2 teaspoons of sifted matcha powder. Mix until fully combined. Add 3 large eggs one at a time, mixing slowly after each addition to avoid incorporating too much air. Remember to scrape down the sides of the bowl regularly for even mixing. For extra creaminess, gently fold in 1/2 cup of sour cream or heavy cream, being careful not to overmix. Pour the filling into your cooled crust. Melt 4 ounces of dark chocolate until smooth. Drizzle it over the batter in a spiral or zigzag pattern. Use a knife to gently swirl the chocolate into the batter for a beautiful marbled effect. Wrap your springform pan tightly in aluminum foil. Place it in a larger pan filled with hot water. A water bath helps bake the cheesecake evenly and keeps it moist. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes. The edges should be set, and the center should still jiggle slightly. Once baked, turn off the oven and crack the door open. Let the cheesecake cool inside for 1 hour. Then transfer it to room temperature for another hour. This slow cooling prevents cracks and keeps the texture creamy. Refrigerate your cheesecake for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight, to let the flavors meld and the texture firm up beautifully. Before serving, add your favorite toppings. A light dusting of matcha powder, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream all complement this cheesecake perfectly. Use a sharp, warm knife for clean slices. Pair your cheesecake with vanilla ice cream or a fruity sauce like raspberry for an irresistible combination. If you have leftovers, wrap slices tightly in plastic wrap and store in the fridge for 3 to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze slices wrapped in plastic and foil for up to a month. Thaw overnight in the fridge before enjoying. Baking the perfect matcha chocolate cheesecake is all about patience and attention to detail. Enjoy the process, and most importantly, enjoy every bite. Be sure to check out this video for more.